Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my iron-on jacket that I've been starting. So first off, I'll show you the patches we already have on here. I've got this cute little pig that I got at Michael's. These cute little cherries also came from Michael's. This dog in a pocket is from Hot Topic. On the back, we've got You Suck, I'd Rather Be Alone, and this cute little sugar skull, which are all from Hot Topic as well. And today we're going to be adding these butterflies from the dollar store. I found this kit at the Great Canadian Dollar Store that's got camo patches, so we're going to cut them into some fun shapes and put them on maybe. And then I found these ones at the Boathouse, which are just a little smiley face, a donut, and a coffee. So we've got some cute ones to put on. So I don't actually own an iron, so I just use my flat iron in its highest setting, which is 450 for this one, which is, well, it's hot enough for iron-ons. We're going to start with our butterflies. I'm going to put the 3 butterflies right here, so they're up on my back. Straighten out my jacket. Place the butterfly where I want it to go, and then just use my flat iron. So we're just going over it on each side of it, holding it for a few seconds and going back. And then they stay on. They're, if you don't know anything about iron-ons, they have a glue that's heat activated, so you can put basically patches on any material. They were used back in the day to patch up holes in jeans, and now we all want holes in jeans. So tables have turned a little bit there. I'm just putting the other one opposite it. Melting that down in place. And if the seam's getting in the way or anything, clamp it down. My iron has little grips there so that you can do this without burning yourself. And there we've got our butterflies on. So now let's put, I think I want this donut on my pocket. Now, these ones are sticker patches. Peel and stick patches. So I don't know if this is gonna actually work, but we're gonna try it anyways. Very sticky. So I'm just gonna place my little donut a little crookedly. And there we go, cute little donut. And then the coffee on the other pocket, I think. So cute, it's a little Starbucks. So I'm just gonna peel the back off these ones. It's actually just a fluke that I saw this today. My favorite sunglasses are from Boathouse, and I broke my pair I had, and I went in there to get a replacement pair, and I saw these on the clearance rack. It was $2 for these. Awesome. Now for some camo. Make some blank spaces in my jacket. Haha. staples through them. Kind of like defeats the purpose of a patch to have a hole in it, but okay. Oh, we got different colors too. Let's just start with the full-on camo. Scissors to my out. I'm getting this part out. Just my eyes are too. There we go. Okay, so this guy came with some stencils. Let's do a star. So I'm just going to take the star cutout on the back, trace this little star very poorly, but I'll fix that with the scissors. And cut this guy out. There. Oh, that looks so stupid. That is such a stupid star. Gonna put it on anyways. Put my love into it. You're going on the front. Down here. Just have some negative space. How many times can I make that joke in this video? So this camo patch fabric is super thin, so the glue is melting really fast. So hope I don't want to move that. I'm gonna put on this smiley face while I can't decide which. His mouth is like connected to his eyes, so I'm just gonna cut that little string. What is it? I don't know what it goes whatever. Okay, this already. Let's put this guy on the back. A little one next to all these big ones. Sure, why not? But you were right there. That's hot. Be careful, kids. Do this with your parents around. I forgot to take the back off. Oh my god. I am literally the stupidest human out here. I forgot that these ones had a back on them. That's a freaking fail. I can't believe I forgot the back on it. I burnt my finger for nothing. Don't grab it after you take the hot iron off it. That's a good idea, to not grab it. Alright, I think I'm going to save the rest of these camo patches for another day. So that is the update on my jacket. That's what the back looks like so far. And there's the front. I will update you guys whenever I am done of it or whenever I'm adding next. See you later.